Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. My name is Krista and I'm really glad that you are joining me today. So today is December the 23rd and we need to open box number 23 of our advent calendar. So far there's been lots of different types of pens, gels and acrylics and inks and erasable pens. That was our newest one that we opened. That was very cool. So today, like I said, is December 23rd. So I'm gonna move my tea. I always have tea on the go. December 23rd is right here. So we have this box here and I am going to go ahead and open it. There we go. And we have two types of markers of some sort. It's got the word soft on it. Let me show you the markers. I've not seen these ones before. It has the word soft on it. So let's get some paper. Okay, so they have like a chiseled end, chiseled tip. So it's there's a lot of liquid, like they're quite wet, but you know, that's all right. So there's kind of an orangey color and then a purple. They're very faint. They're not strong pigmented colors. So let me show you these. But they're nice. Again, they're quite light. There's a lot of liquid in them, so you definitely want to wait till they dry. Otherwise they would smear. But the only other writing on here is it says CY-566 and then it looks like Japanese or Chinese writing underneath of it. And then the word soft on the front. But that's it for markings. So, you know, again, a couple more markers to add into my plethora of markers, etc. that I have already. I want to thank you for joining me today on this, again, very short little advent calendar opening of the box number 23. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, click on the bell to receive notification every time I upload a new video. Thank you again for joining me and happy crafting.